So this is going to be 3 more example solves. I haven't done a video like this in about month and a half. All the scrambles will be on screen and in the description. Starting from how I scrambled all of these, which is normal for most people. So this first one, I'm going to check white first. So you've got this block here. There's probably some solution. Yeah, there is a solution here. Where you can use the block. I'm not going to completely rule that out, but when I look here I see this pair, and there's a solution where we can do all of this without affecting this first pair. So, and it starts by orienting this blue edge first, so I think this is probably best. So that's how I'd choose this cross, and the cross solution is D2 to start with, and then R, B, D, and then here I'd do a wide. I'm tempted, yeah, I'd probably do wide here, just so that when I do this it goes into back left, which is the slot that you typically want to fill up first, alongside front left. So that's ideal. And then I saw this pair, so can we split up like this and inserted, and oh my god, yeah, so this is this insert, and same case as what we started with, just like this. Now this, I'd be tempted, I'm just going to orient edges for this because I hate that OLL. And then CLL recognition is this algorithm, and UPenn. I need to learn those OLLs, but that's like the only subset of OLL that I don't actually know all the algorithms, so they're not the best either. That set. So this one, this is fairly easy because we've got this edge can go straight in. Green I'm going to keep in the back, actually. I'm just looking at yellow cross because 2 edges correctly oriented. So that's not to say that white is completely ruled out, but yellow cross is the one to go for here. So it's going to start with U2 and then L, just so that we orient this, go in R2, D2. Oh, yeah. So this pair I saw, and can be, basically I'm just hiding this corner and moving this edge round here. I did that a bit quickly just because I saw that while I was doing the cross. And then here I've got this pair, which I kind of want to do first just to get back right, and these two, which kicks out this pair. And this insert with like the split pair into the back I really like. I've done a separate video on it, and I do think it's worth putting into solves. Then lightning bolt OLL and YFM. So this is quite an interesting one because you have both crosses. You have one good edge and the rest are all incorrectly flipped. So it's merely a matter of taste for this, but there is this block here that I've seen which could be used. I'm just trying to think if we can use it or if we just go for like a simple thing. No, I don't see a great way to use it. It's one of these. Someone like Timon would find something to use that block, or find a pseudo pair later. But I'm not Timon clearly, and this is just going to be simple cross. So here I'm going to move the red and orange so that when green goes in they correct each other, and that's also going to kick out blue, and they all end up relative to each other. Now here, before I insert the blue, I saw this pair, so we're going to insert blue and get this, and this is good because then we can use keyhole here. Now I think actually D here is probably better objectively, just so that we can do this pair into the back like that, and this pair into back left. I'm going to rotate and do this. I'm going to sledge draw in the edges, and then this allows just a 6 mover and G come. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.